Hi everyone, my name is Ramana Reddy. I'm a lawyer from Hyderabad, and today I wanted to talk to you about two short ways of losing your case. And this is just if you want to lose your case, these are two things that you can absolutely do, which I do not recommend, but I've seen this happen enough times to know that if you mess these two things up, then there is no way, there is no lawyer in this world, there is no law in this world that could ever come to your rescue. I think the first best way of ensuring loss or ensuring that you lose the case is by adopting a casual attitude towards your case. So what does that mean? So what that means is, let's say somebody has sued you for, say, recovery of money, and you just don't bother. I mean, you receive court, you receive the summons from the court asking you to appear on a particular date, either through yourself or through a lawyer. You get busy with your day-to-day activities. You don't pay attention to the fact that a legal case has been filed against you. You don't gather the papers. You don't bother visiting a lawyer. You basically just get on with life, and you wake up at the last minute and you want some kind of relief from the court. Now, in that kind of a scenario, it is going to be very, very hard for you to win your case, because just because of forget legalities, forget procedure, forget on merit arguments. It's just adopting a casual attitude that could most definitely kill your case. And courts may be more forgiving when it comes to, say, like a civil dispute or something like that. But if the issue is, if the criminal proceedings that are launched against you, or if tax proceedings are launched against you, let me tell you that time is of the essence in these proceedings. And if you take things casually, I can assure you that you will face the music when things come to a climax. So I think the first way is to take things casually, and I think the second best way to lose your case, which is also related, is to not bother about the timelines involved. I can tell you, especially from a tax standpoint, there has been a case in the Supreme Court called GlaxoSmithKline, which says that, so suppose you receive an order from the assessing authority, who's the officer at the lowest level. He assesses you, say, for a tax of 1 crore, and you have 30 days to file an appeal. But you sit back, you don't really care. You think, well, I still have 30 days. I can take it easy. Let me just wait till I have the last week or last 2 days, last 3 days. And suppose you miss the bus with that 30-day period. Then you get another 30-day period, but that 30-day period, you have to show to the appellate authority that there was sufficient reason for condonation of delay. And sufficient reason is pretty high standard. You can't just say, I was on vacation, and that is the reason enough. So if you take things lightly, if you miss timelines, if you don't provide papers to your lawyers within time, if you adopt a casual attitude, I can assure you that there is no lawyer in the world who can save you. And to avoid, or to actually ensure that you win, make sure that you don't sleep over your rights, that you take action at the first available moment, and ensure that you come out victorious when you finish the case. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful.